Short dictation for beginners from volume 1 of Kailash Chandra. Transcription number 2. I should like now to make a few observations on the budget. This budget marks a turning point in the history of our country. It is no use attempting, as some of my friends have done, either to deprecate the budget very strongly or to suggest that we are not witnessing a new revolution in our methods of fiscal training and technique. I want it to be quite clearly pointed out to my friends that we are now facing the lean years of Indian finance. Either two, we had revenue surpluses which were a form of public saving and which were meant to be utilized for capital development.